Alright, this is the PC we working with to record. Got it off eBay, but I put in a SSD. Got the GPU off eBay. It's a MSI 1060 gaming. We got the power supply with an adapter that we taken wires from to solder to fit the motherboard, because HP got some weird motherboard stuff. If it works, it works. Also, there wasn't enough room for the GPU, so we working with no front. I don't know if I'm about to put the side back on. And that's the power button. Anyway, run up the channel, like, sub, all that. We're not dropping the face reveal yet. That's why we just showing the PC. It's about to be all types of stuff on the one and only Schmuck Life channel. So drop a sub. We're about to turn up in here. You already fucking know. So drop a sub, baby.